This is the elevator on board the River Quest boat. Official name will be in the title and or description in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We're on the third floor right now. This is a Concord. Case Fire 9 is the lift. I believe that's a mad button, but I'm not sure. Yeah, it's kind of like a home elevator. Yeah, it's a Concord with, here's your CRP, Concord, mad buttons, I believe, and we'll go down to 1. Concord. This is a Concord elevator. It's like a home elevator, almost like a residential elevator. Pretty generic. Non-ADA phone. Phone instruction sign. There's a swing door. This is hydraulic, I believe. That's a manual door. This is obviously slow. Whoa, that's squeaky. Oh well, look, you can see up the shaft. That's interesting. Here at the first floor. On the stairwell, it's roped off, so we're not going to get off here. Now we'll go back up to 3. Non-ADA phone. Phone sign. COP, Concord. Signs. Just your basic wheelchair. There's a smoke detector. Just your basic elevator, home elevator. Fake wood grain cab. Pretty small. As it's like a lula or something. There's a door open button there. That's weird. I'm gonna see if that works. Concord. No, that button doesn't work. That's just a placeholder. No, shut it. There it goes, and that's it.